Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm not going to talk about FPGA electronics or any of that. This is to a video which is for my subscribers. So I guess if you're not my subscriber, you just landed here, probably you have no clue what I'm going to talk about. So you might proceed to your next video, which talks about I don't know, crypto, cats, whatever it is, whatever likes people like those days. So going forward, I'm going to change a few things, but before that, let's talk about the present. So my videos are mainly for people which they want to build things using FPGA or other technologies, because it's not just FPGA. I have videos about AI and I have a video about manufacturing. I know how to design things, I know how to manufacture things, and I was thinking, my thinking was to share all this, some of that expertise. So let's talk about the present. The present is that my videos, they are not very polished, and they will never be. So most of my videos, they are just shot in one go. So sometimes I say something stupid and I backtrack and I try to correct myself and things like that. I'm not going to spend too much time editing and polishing and bringing, you know, nice backgrounds and pictures and things like that. No, sounds or anything. No, it's like a video log. You like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. That's the way it is. And it's not going to change. Another thing is my video, they are not promoting anything. I don't want to sell you anything. I'm not interested in that. I'm not a salesman. I'm an engineer. I like to build things, right? So I'm not trying to sell you some shit bottle, water bottle that if you drink from that, you will feel fantastic. There is no such thing. Or some stupid wallet so people, they can't scan your NFC card. Come on, people. I mean, get a life. So I'm not selling anything, I'm not promoting anything. I'm trying to pass some knowledge. Sometimes I give some advices. Those advices, they might be wrong. So they are based on my experience. And my experience obviously is very subjective. And if you feel that you should ignore those advices, go on, ignore them. I don't care. My appearance. Sometimes I show up in those videos, I'm not shaved and, you know, I wear a cap or so. I don't care about those things. I mean, I don't care if people, they judge me. They judge me, they judge me. They will judge me anyway. So, future. This is the most important thing. I owe this explanation to my subscribers. Why I'm saying to my subscribers? Because those are the people which they took their time to click on that button, which means probably they have a little interest in what I'm saying. So, I think those are the people which I owe more explanation. So, first of all, why I'm making those videos, I kind of said that, but I said what you're not going to see. Let me tell you what you are going to see. So, when I build things, I'm very enthusiastic about this, and there are people out there which they share my enthusiasm. This is the target audience. My videos are actually for those people which they share the same passion or the same, how should I put it? They have the same, criteria of judging, and people which are alike, right? Now, I realize there are not many people which are alike out there, or maybe they're not on YouTube. That is a problem. So in the future, probably I'll put less videos. Why? Because they take time to make them, and sometimes I don't have time, or I'm not in the mood. Second reason why I'm going to put less video is that feedback is not great. So most of my comments actually from clever people. The comments that I get on my video, they're from clever people, and most of the questions are actually very, very clever questions, and I totally like the engagement of the community. Now, it's not a lot of engagement. Probably if it's going to be much more, probably I'll hate it because I'm going to spend too much time answering. I think it's in the right amount, but I love the comments. But they take time. So to make those videos take time and effort, and I work on many things that I can't share. which are probably the most interesting things. I can't share for obvious reasons because they are commercial projects and they are for customers and or for other external entities, and I'm under NDA. I can't talk about those things. Those are the most interesting ones. But anyway, so I'm a hobbyist. I'm an engineer and I'm a hobbyist. So what you see here is more like there are slices from my hobby side of me. Okay, now young generation need to make choices, career choices, and going to university A or college A versus B. I did my best to give a little bit of advice, but look, in the end, it's your choice. You know what you are better than me. You are or you are not. It's your choice. If you want to become an engineer, you will become an engineer. If you don't think of, oh, I need to be smart. No. You need to be you. You need to be yourself. Okay, so yeah, going forward, less videos. That's a given. I don't think it's actually easy to reach my audience. There are, I don't know, 4 billion videos on YouTube, something like some silly number. So the chances for my videos to reach the intended audience, they are very, very slim. Now, the people which they subscribed, yeah, there are like, I don't know, 1,000 people. I'm not sure exactly how many, 1,300, 1,400. Probably they will reach my videos, and those people, they are fine. But people that are lazy, they are lazy to search on YouTube, and usually they click on something which is colorful. So I'm not going to change my videos to make them more colorful just to attract those people. I'm not interested in that. I'm not interested in put flames and some stupid message. You see those videos which they have on the how you call it, on the cover, a guy with a stupid face like this. No, I'm not going to do that. So yeah, usually on my first page you see what kind of problem I'm trying to solve or what I'm presenting, or that's pretty much it. I'm not going to advertise anything. So it's, if you're interested in the subject, you click. If you don't, yeah, walk away. Fine. No, nothing bad is going to happen. So yeah, in terms of subjects, I will keep talking about career choices because I think sometimes the young people, they need a little bit of a nudge. Another subject that I want to touch going forward is teaching engineering. I think there are tiny little problems there. I'm not going I'm not attempting to change the teaching system, but I think it can be adjusted here and there. I don't know. That's my opinion. I might be wrong here. So I don't think it has to be reformed from the ground up. No, I think they need tweaks. I will keep talking about how you can use AI in engineering as a tool. Don't worry, AI is not going to take if you're an engineer, it's not going to take your job. Don't worry about that. I don't see some personal assistant, some secretary jumping on ChatGPT and starting to make microprocessors from tomorrow just because she has the tools. I can imagine a secretary like this saying, build me a pipeline or a branch predictor for a microprocessor. Really? That's not going to happen. Yeah, we will build agents which are going to do that. Really? Who's going to build those agents? You think the guy who's writing those models, he knows about branch prediction in microprocessors? Come on. Really. So, don't worry. I will talk about AI because I think they're nice tools and they can save you a lot of time. But you still need to have a brain. So, I think AI is not going to fix everything like some people they expect. And I think AI is a very complicated subject. So, you will see some videos in that kind of space. So I will keep talking about FPGA, how to build tiny little projects, and I will share some of my hobby projects, which I will keep continuing with that. Probably less, but I will keep making them. So I'm not sure if you enjoy watching my videos or not very clear. Judging on the analytics, I think it's hard to get out of the noise, and it's a lot of noise there on YouTube. And if you want to learn something, probably there are better places than YouTube. I know this is counterproductive for me saying this because it's not going to bring me more views, but I'm not interested in more views. I'm more interested in, instead of having 10,000 subscribers, to have 1,000 subscribers which they really learn something from my videos. That is probably more rewarding than having, large number, and I don't care about those things. Right, so yeah, we shall see what the future holds. God knows. And take care.